Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create virtual RAM in your computer. So let's check first how much RAM physically we have available in our computer. So we are going to right click on the taskbar, then task manager. On the performance section, we are going to click on the memory, and as you can see, I have 12 gig of DDR3 RAM, which is a bit old and it's giving me a lot of issue. So what I'm going to do, I am going to create a virtual memory. Okay, so it will help the system to access a bit more smoothly. So first of all, we are going to the this PC and we have to make sure that our system have enough storage capacity. So as you can see, I have 3 drive over here and this particular drive have enough space. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 12 GB from here, from this particular drive, and it will convert as virtual memory. So how we can do that? So right click on this computer, click on the properties. Now we will be able to see an option called advanced system setting. Click on this. After that, we have to click on the advanced setting, as you can see over here, advanced, and click on the performance tab. So we are going to click on the setting. Okay, then click on the advanced. Now we are going to change the virtual memory. So click on the change. By default, it's selected by automatically manage the paging file size or drive. I'm going to uncheck this, and from here we have to select the D drive. Make sure the drive you have enough capacity. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to give a custom size. So I'm going to give a custom size. So let me calculate how much is going to be for 12 GB. So I'm going to use 12 GB of RAM. So I'm going to multiply this with 24, and this is the amount that we have to select to take the 12 GB of space. So this is the amount I'm going to paste and click on the OK. It's saying the changes have made required your restart to computer before they can take effect. So once you made this, make sure you restart your computer. Okay, after that it will be working perfectly fine. So I have configured this and I'm going to restart it. So you can do the same thing. If you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.